All right, I'm going to show you how to improve your listening comprehension in German fast. This is going to be deliberate practice. This is going to be fast and difficult for some of you, but it's the best way to improve your comprehension quickly. Uh, I'm assuming you know a lot of vocab already. If you don't know a lot of vocab, go watch my videos on how to memorize thousands of words. If you don't know a lot of vocab, this is going to be way too difficult. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I'm going to tell you why this is much more effective than simply listening to something casually. What we're going to do is deliberate practice. We're going to listen. It's going to be retrieval practice, all right? So we listen, we check the meaning afterwards. So we don't look, we don't read. Well, with this one, you probably already read it, but I want you to look down here, and only after listening and knowing if you understand it or not, then you look up, you read the German, and if you still don't understand it, then you look at this. Yeah, this way.
Gratuliert.
Okay, that one doesn't count.
Bitte teile uns mit, wenn es irgendwelche neuen Entwicklungen gibt.
And then you look up.
Ich werde nachsehen, wenn ich mit der Bedienung in diesem Gang fertig bin. Musst du und Jack morgen arbeiten? Ich muss, aber Jack nicht. Wenn es gar nicht anders geht, arbeiten wir die ganze Nacht. Mein Wagen geht immer aus, wenn ich an einer Ampel stehen bleibe. Jasmin hat gesagt, dass ihr neuer Job ziemlich interessant war. Das sind nur
You get the concept, right? You don't look at it. It's random sentences, could be anything. Next, you listen to it. This is easy for me. Obviously, my German's good. I used to live there. I used to work for the embassy, right? I used to do sales on the phone in German, so yeah. But I still make mistakes on my speaking, but my comprehension is basically 99%, 99, point 99. I guess comma is in German. Yeah, I understand everything, but I make some grammar mistakes still. So that's for another time. The listening and repeating, we'll do that. But for comprehension, basically, this is what you need to do. Listen, check, listen, check. Yeah, try to understand it. It should be difficult. You should struggle. That's when you're improving the most. Also, you can notice I'm doing this at 1.25 speed to make it faster and more difficult. Also, you get more language in the same amount of time. You get more reps. Doing a lot of reps is important. The more reps you do, the more you improve. And also, if you go faster, it's more difficult. So then, when you hear native speakers, it's going to be easier. Yeah, like what was the thing Samurai said? Like you cry in the dojo and you laugh in the battlefield or something like that. Whatever. I'm not very good with Sprichworten, with sayings, proverbs. But yeah, if it's very hard in training, then in real life it'll be easier. This is training. You train your mind to identify the language when it's fast and long sentences and difficult, and then in real life it'll be much easier. Yeah. So you look here, only check after knowing if you understand it or not.
Ein paar Scheren zum Schneiden meiner Haare. Es scheint so, als ob es noch Platz im Gepäckfach gibt.
They're super random, so sometimes
Ich habe alles verloren. Mein Pass, Kreditkarten, Geld. Hatten Sie jemals eine vollständige Vorsorgeuntersuchung? Offensichtlich ist Ihre Katze in den Flammen umgekommen.
oh, that's sad. Yeah, I mean, if the cats in my farm died in a fire, that'd be. I mean, if my family farm burned, that'd be pretty sad, yeah, as well. But cats, yeah, we've got lots of cats over there. I barely see them these days, but anyway, to improve your comprehension fast, this is the best kind of exercise: retrieval practice. Difficult sentences, listen to them, check if you understand, Next one, listen, check if you understand, over and over and over. It's not the most fun thing to do. They don't give you perks and streaks and that kind of nonsense, but you improve quickly. And if you do this regularly, your comprehension will, as long as you also memorize vocab, your comprehension will improve very fast. Anyway, I hope you found this useful, and see you next time.